you're having an amazing day. Back to talking in English. Again, complaint after complaint. Yeah, so today decided to change the. So guys, again and again, people are asking me various questions about construction, about how to start building either a major project or a villa, or starting your own construction mid-range project and so on. So they always lack of the startup process. So what is the right process, whether to approach a contractor, whether to approach first the consultant, whether to get an interior decorator first? What is the best option before you start constructing your project? So as I told you before, people, they make this mistakes of straightforward going to getting an interior decorator or designing the villa or the project before they go to a consultant, before they understand the process of the authority, before they're going to the contractor. And this is not the right approach to do it. My advice is, and my recommendation is, first you go to a consultant, get your draft of distribution, the space and the sizes, measure of the project that you want to do. Let's say for the villa, what is the requirement that you need on this villa, whether it's a single story, whether it's a double story, whether you need a basement, whether you need a service block outside the villa, or it's inside the villa, what's the plot size, what is the built-up area. And you need to understand two things. There are something called bill of quantity, and there is something called specifications. Without these two, I don't think the consultant will be doing a great job if he doesn't provide it to you. I know that a lot of consultants, they don't give you this information because of lack of professionalism, or he doesn't want to get into the headache, doesn't want to waste time. He just want to get the money on design and supervision, and then that's it, and let you go fight in the market. But please make sure once you go to the consultant, you always make sure you ask these two things: specification and bill of quantity. Now, what does bill of quantity means? That the exact quantity of every item has been designed to build this project. Again, every item is designed to build this project. So you would know exactly how many total doors, how many block, what's the size of the ceramic, whether it's 20 by 20, whether 40 by 40, 60 by 60, whatever, marble, granite, the painting, how many total blocks, what is the total built-up area, all of that. So these are the bill of quantity. Okay, so once you get that bill of quantity in your hand, then you ask for the specifications. So he's like, no, I don't know what you choose. No, Habibi, you give me the standards, which the approved mid-range, high range, low range. There are different standards. So you tell them, I need these type. So now he will give you the specifications. You will understand where exactly you're positioned. So you have the design, the drawing, you have the bill of quantity, and then you have the specification. Once you have that, you can take these documents and throw it to various contractors. Now, once you have various contractors, no one can play with your bill of quantity. You got my point? So if it comes to me, I will say, oh, it's a 60 meter height and 40 meter length, and then the other contractor will say, no, it's 70 meter height and 60 meter. So everyone will give their own philosophy, and then the prices will be going up. So every contractor will act smart to have more detail sizes so he can get more money. The consultant will try his best level so that the project price goes up and he asks for higher percent. So you have to act a little bit smart and sharp and say, no, I'm paying you to do the design and supervision. Therefore, you're obliged you must provide me with the bill of quantity and the specification, so I don't go outside in the market and I get headache and I keep fighting with the contractors. So I need a set information, set measures, right? Parameters, so everyone will follow the same. So when you compare apple to apple. That's what I meant. So never do such a mistake and then the consultant just give you a drawing. Oh, go find a contractor. No, Habibi. Give me the specification first. First of all, you agree with him that. Give me these two important things: specification and the bill of quantity. Because once you come to me, I don't know what you want, right? So you price for me. So I will try to do my best level to put. Let's say now the marble, I can give you 60 dirham per meter, or I can give you 400 per meter. It's a huge difference, right? I can give you the paint, which is normal paint, or I can give you high specification paint. Or a door, I can give you a price of a door which is fire rated, or I can give you a price of a door which is a normal door, right? It's a big difference. So until unless the consultant had provided those specification, it's set. So the moment I see these documentation, I can't go beyond, I can't go above, I can't go, bypass it and provide you with something else, because you come to me, did I tell you to do that? No. So why you're providing me with this information? I told you, the marble, 60 dirham per meter, and that's it. Don't give me 70, don't give me 20, 60, exactly. And these are the specification. Black obsolete, that's it. Don't go, In the meanwhile, also, once you get the drawing from the consultant ready, make sure you have on each drawing a stamp from the authority, which means this is the final documentation drawing approved by the authority, approved by the municipality, approved by the civil defense, approved by federal electricity, approved by the telecommunication, and so on. So then it is a final drawing, there is no changes in it. So anything happen on the site without those approval, then it will be your consequences. You will face it. Right? The contract will tell you, I'm sorry, you gave me this and I've done whatever you gave me. You got my point? So make sure you get these documents approved, stamped by all the authority, and then you proceed to give it to the contractor to price it for you. Now, when does the interior decorator get involved? Once you have all, so once you know that the documentation is set, the prices from the contractor is done, then you bring the interior decorator to design for you the interiors and everything based on that limited budget. So if the contractor has given you the final price of building this project 3, 4, 1, 2 million, and then you say, okay, I have another 300,000, you bring the interior decorator, well, I have a budget of 300,000, please design for me now. You got my point? Then everything goes parallel. You don't have issue with the consultant, you don't have an issue with the contractor, then you don't have an issue with the interior decorator. Because if you get the interior decorator first, and then when it comes to the consultant, say, no, it's not approved. It's the detail, the specification, the rates are too high, and the authority won't approve it. And then the contractor say, no, the interior designer is high in the sky, it's not realistic. It won't. Guys, I won't take too much of your time. Please. I'm providing you a very, very discreet, important information which costs a lot of money for free, just for you guys. So make sure you don't say my name. Otherwise, a lot of people are gonna be upset. A lot of people. So I'm trying to be angel-like, supporting and helping without taking anything in return. The only thing that you could do is mention 50 people, and that's it. So have a lovely day. Enjoy, guys. We'll keep in touch.